Yo, quick, look, this is the old track. It's not, I don't have a lot of footage of it. This layout's been here for a couple of years at least at WCMRC, the off-road track. The off-road committee decided time for a change and they ripped it up.
So,
there we go.
1, 2,
Counting the drains.
3,
The 6
4,
drains that they have
5,
uncovered.
6, and 5 hasn't been dug out yet. I'm not sure if there's one over there, I don't think so. But yeah, you can definitely see the state of the track and the effort that's been going to make it good, and also a lot of the clay. A lot of good material.
So yeah, they pulled up all the poly and the timing systems, ripped up the track, and yeah, started pulling out these concrete covers off the drains and digging them out. They were well full. As you can see there, that one hasn't been cleaned out yet. Yeah, for sure. And this one has. This is that one being dug out right now. The president of the club on the excavator. And yeah, look at all that awesome clay that they've used to recreate the new track. Been running down those drains for years. So yeah, the first half of this video is just showing some of the construction phase, and the second half is just showing how it's looking now. Some cars running around. So if you're not liking this, skip ahead, check out what it looks like. Putting the concrete covers over, so yeah, I won't mention names. The guys at the club know who they are. Been putting in all this hard work to set up the new track. But yeah, if you want to know who they are, pop down to the club and come say hello, come get involved. There's the on-road track just right there as well. And yeah, check out my videos if you're interested in looking at it. I'll put there should be some links at the top right of this video. So yeah, using some machinery, using the excavator, the bobcat's coming out. I broke my good camera, so I've lost the footage I had of the roller in action, unfortunately. But that's not yet. We're not up to that yet, are we? We're still digging out drains, just having a look at what we've got, all that material at the back. So I just, they were working hard over a couple of weeks at least to get this place ready. I just tried to pop in when I could, when I was running on the on-road track to see how they were going. Just got a few little shots here and there. You definitely see the progress though from when they were digging the drains, all the concrete covers in place. Yeah, bobcat doing work, not really too. Bobcat driver doesn't like people going out there, obviously, safety reasons.
It looks pretty awesome.
And here we go, this is the first running of the new layout. But this is a soft layout essentially for the vintage day. So there's a lot of jumps missing, and the jumps that are in place are quite gentle.
Ooh, face buggy you got, mate.
There'll be another link at the top right if you want to check out some of the vintage day stuff I've got on video. But yeah, very shortly now, this is the last little clip of the vintage day layout. And then the rest of the video is as the track is as of last night. That's when I got the footage, Wednesday practice night. Ready for running some racing on the weekend. I believe they've got a 2-wheel drive points round. So come check it out, get your 2-wheel drive buggy or any car. This is one of the buggies. So I've just tried to make sure I cover every bit of the track as I jump around here, so you can see all the new jumps in place, the new surface. And yeah, it's pretty cool. It's pretty different. The guys at the club definitely seem to be enjoying it, especially now this this triple here has been put in. There we go. Nearly just need a good triple, hey? Another one here. Well, it's more like a double-double, isn't it? Yeah, short course. Couple short courses on track here. I'm going to stop talking and yeah, the video finishes up with some EP8 ladies running around the track. So yeah, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Tell us to come back, RC, all that. Cheers to everyone that's put in all the hard work, the off-road track, to make it like it is. And oh, here's the sick power, mate. Don't these surfcasters look great going through there. I have to perch down there more often. Cheers. Yo, jumping back on the mic just to let you know, if you see just to the right there, that area, that's going to be the crawler course at the club eventually. It's like, I don't know how public knowledge this is or how official, but we're going to make it happen, hey? The club's clean, the president's keen. They need some rock crawling action, so if you're watching and that interests you, you want to get involved, you want to help out, come check it out, get in touch, come down. Let's make it happen, hey? A rock crawling course. So bring cars down. The idea will be a whole pile of different scales. Be suitable for all types of crawlers, whether you want to bring your TRX or your comp crawler. Just an idea, and I just thought I'd shout it out here. Cheers to everyone running their cars from the video. And yeah, thanks. New track. Rebuild it. WCN RC. Turtles come back RC.
Yeah.